Good morning, students. Welcome back in UNSS class. Student, in the previous video lecture, we have started our fifth chapter of history, that is when people rebel, 1857 and lived after. It means we have been discussing about the revolt of 1857, which was known, you can say that the first independence war. Right, friends? In the previous video, we have seen that all Indian people, means all Indian, they were dissatisfied. They were dissatisfied from the Britain, and you can say from the company. That's why they have started this rebel. You can say that. So in the previous video lecture, we have covered, you can say that first of all, introduction part. Then we have covered the policy and the people, where we have discussed about Nawabs lost their power. Means we have discussed that the company had introduced a lot of policies, and by these policies, the king they lost their power. Second thing, we have discussed about the peasants and the sipai. It means soldiers. We have discussed this thing. Now in this video lecture, we will move further. It means we will move from the responses to the reforms, right? So let's discuss about the responses of to reform. Dear student, you have studied in the previous class also, and you are well aware about that British government introduced a lot of reforms in India also. It means that in Indian society there is a lot of you can say that a lot of social evils, and British government introduced many laws for the social evils, right? Many laws for the social evils also. So my dear student, our Indian people, they have very mixed response related to these reforms. First of all, the British believed that Indian society, it had to be reformed because it had a lot of social evils and that must be removed from the society. That's why they prepared, and you can say there were many laws which were passed to stop this type of, you can say that this type of social evils. You can see that sati practice, it was also a social evils, in which if you can say that if the husband is died, then the lady, means the wife, had to you can say that sacrifice her life in the funeral pyre. This was the thing also. That so there were many laws which were passed to stop sati practice also, and even think that at that time widow could not remarry also. So widow could remarry. This type of laws are also prepared, and these laws are prepared by, you can say that, Britishers also, right? Next thing, the British thought that the literature and the culture of India, it was you can say that very obsolete and unworthy. It means it did not have anything. It is very obsolete. It means it is very old, and you can say unworthy. And one British writer, he said that the entire literature of India and Arab, the entire literature of India and Arab, it is equal to just only one self of the books of the English literature. It means he wanted to show the superiority of the English literature here. He wanted to show that English literature is more superior than the you can say Indian literature and the Arabian literature. He wanted to show this thing. Okay, and if we think about Indian, they took these reforms as an offense to their culture and heritage also, and consider them as subordination of the religious practice and oppose them also. Means here I want to tell you one thing, that Britishers, they introduced a lot of laws and you can say that rule and regulations by which there are a lot of social evils was removed, like that sati practice and widow remarriage. Like laws were made for this also. So our Indian person, they have a very mixed, you can say, responses against it. Some thought that Britishers, they wanted to make us subordinate, and they wanted to you can say that finish our culture and heritage also. Some thought this thing. That's why they oppose regarding them, whatever the laws made by the Britishers against these social evils. So that's why the Indian people, they oppose these rules also, right? Second thing, अगर हम बात करते हैं, some people thought that the English were determined to wipe out the religions of the Hindu and Muslim, and they wanted to convert the whole community into Christianity. It means they wanted that by introducing these laws, English people, they wanted to finish Hindu and Muslim religion. It means वो हिंदू और मुस्लिम रिलीजन को खत्म करना चाहते हैं, and they wanted to convert whole population into Christianity. It means they wanted to spread Christianity so that they would be the king of or you can say ruler in this country also. That's why they have introduced these laws, and they, you can say that they are interfering, they were interfering in the in our culture also. These were the opinion of many Indian reformers and many Indian people also. Right, students? Now, let's think about next important point, and you can say that it would be the immediate cause. It would be the immediate cause of this rebellion. Whenever we discuss any revolt, whenever we discuss any revolution, it had a lot of, you can say, regions, but there is one most important region that that one we consider the immediate cause of that particular revolt, and the mutiny becomes a popular rebellion, and you can say that it would become the immediate cause. What would happen in the soldier? Yeah, you can say that among the soldier, that's why they began to start protest against Britisher. Let's discuss this thing. Okay, dear student, my dear student, in May 1857, a massive rebellion started against the company presence in India. It means against the company rule. In May 1857, you can say that in entire northern India, you can see a massive rebellion. Okay, but my dear student, we have discussed that all the people of the different section, they were dissatisfied from the British also. They were disappointed also. They have some anger in their they had some anger in their heart also. But my dear student, it is not sufficient. Just only required a spark to create the fire. It required a spark to create the fire. And this one means the use of the cartridge grease. The use of the cartridge grease. This one become the instant region of this you can say revolt also. At that time, it was thought that a news was spread all over India, all over the among the soldiers also, that Enfield rifle, it has been introduced in, you can say that for the soldier, and to fill it, and you can say that to make to upload to load it. First of all, we have to you can say that pin up unpin the bullet of that particular thing. Then we have to put it in the rifle. And it was thought that the bullet, the cartridge on the bullet, it was made of cow and pig fat. It was made of cow and pig fat. And dear student, cow and pig, these are the important religious things for Hindu and Muslim also. It means that the spoil took it as a blow on their religious sentiment. उन्होंने ये सोचा कि उनके रिलीजन के ऊपर डायरेक्टली अटैक किया गया है. Okay, and this news, it was spread in all over the regiment in a very, you can say that in a very speed manner, in a very huge manner. Okay, so that's why the Sipahi mutiny took place in many areas. It means the revolt, it was started in many areas, but the beginning it was done in Meerut. The beginning it was done in Meerut, and a large number of people from different sections of the society, they rose up in this rebellion. ऐसा माना जाता है कि उस वक्त एक इनफील्ड राइफल जो थी वो इंट्रोड्यूस की गई थी. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, ऐसा माना जाता था कि उसके अंदर जब हम बुलेट फिल करते हैं तो हमें क्या करना पड़ता है, उसकी जो पिन को अपने मुंह से छीलना पड़ता है, देन हमें उसके अंदर डालनी पड़ती है, लोड करना पड़ता है उस आप राइफल को. एंड ऐसा माना जाता है कि जो उसके ऊपर कवर होता है, इट वाज मेड अप ऑफ काउ एंड पिग फैट. Now you can see that these are the symbol of the Hindu and Muslim thing also, कि जो काउ है और जो पिग है उनको हिंदू और मुस्लिम धर्म के अंदर पवित्र चीज मानी जाती है. तो इसीलिए जो सिपाही थे उनके दिल में क्या आया कि जो ब्रिटिशर्स है वो हमारे रिलीजियस सेंटीमेंट के साथ खेल रहे हैं. और ये न्यूज जो थी हर एक रेजिमेंट के अंदर फैल गई. और ये जो मुटनी थी वो 1857 के अंदर मेरठ के अंदर स्टार्ट हुई, जहां पर मंगल पांडे ने क्या किया, सबसे पहले इसका विरोध किया. सबसे पहले इसका विरोध किया, जिसके अंदर उसने क्या किया, गोली चलाकर कुछ जो आप कह सकते हो पीपल थे, कुछ जो ब्रिटिशर्स थे, उनकी हत्या कर दी। बाद में मंगल पांडे को पकड़ लिया गया, गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया। He was arrested and he was hanged. You can say that, and you can say he was hanged until the death also, right? So whenever this, you can say that whenever this rebellion it was started, then many of other people, they also participated in it, because they had anger against high taxes, disruption of the craft and trade, and dissatisfaction of the nobles, and this renewed it in Sipahi finally lead to the mutiny of 1857. मीन्स जब ये न्यूज फैली तो ये क्या बन गई, ये 1857 का रिवोल्ट बन गया। Right, students, many people of different sections, they participated in this movement, and you can say in this revolt in a very huge manner. Right, friends? Now, student, we will discuss about from Meerut to Delhi. This is the most important thing. On 29 March 1857, Mangal Pandey, a young soldier, he was hanged to death for attacking his officer in Barakpur, and soldiers, they also rebelled against the use of the grease cartes. This was done. I have told you that it was there was a rumor in all over the regiment that the grease cartage, it was made up of cow and pig fat. So that's why Mangal Pandey, a young soldier, he refused to use that particular thing, but he was forced that he must use that particular cartage. Then he revolted against it, and in which he attacked two officers of the Barakpur Chawni, and in this way, you can say that those officers, they were killed. Then Mangal Pandey, he was hanged until death for this activity, right? Now, whenever Mangal Pandey, he was, you can say, he was hanged to death, then in response of this revolt, the soldiers, they were captured and they were put also in jail. Means जब मंगल पांडे की फांसी की सजा के बारे में सुना गया, तो सोल्जर ने क्या किया, सोल्जर revolted. When soldier revolted, then these soldiers, they were captured and they were put in jail. Means उनको जेल में डाल दिया गया. And the response of other Indian soldiers in Meerut, it was quite extraordinary. It means that they participated in it in a very huge manner. They got success in it also. They marched to jail into Meerut, and even they released all the imprisoned Sipahi, all the imprisoned soldiers also. Means when this news it was reached to the other Indian soldiers in Meerut, they all participated in it in a very extraordinary manner, and they went in Meerut jail and released all the prisoners, right? And the Sipahi, they marched all night on 10th May, and they reached to Delhi, right? The regiment stationed in Delhi and rose up in rebellion, and many British officers, they were killed in it, and even the arms and the ammunition, they were seized. Means they were, you can say that वो उन्होंने अपने कब्जे में कर लिए, and whatever the thing as a symbol of the government, all the buildings and other things, they were set in fire. वो सब जला दी गई। मीन्स मेरठ के अंदर जब सोल्जर्स ने क्या किया, इस मुटिनी को बढ़ावा दिया, उसके बाद क्या किया, वो मेरठ जेल से सभी प्रिजनर्स को छुड़ा लेते हैं, और 10 मार्च को वो क्या करते हैं, दिल्ली की साइड चल पड़ते हैं, जहां पर वो दिल्ली में पहुंचकर वहां पर रिबेलियन करते हैं, जिसके अंदर बहुत सारे ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर्स, दे वर किल्ड इन इट, एंड जो आर्म एंड एम्युनिशन था, जो हथियार थे, वो सब वो अपने कब्जे में ले लेते हैं और बिल्डिंग्स को आग लगा देते हैं। After then, the soldiers, they went to Bahadur Shah Jafar and they proclaim him as their leader. वो बहादुर शाह जफर के पास जाते हैं, and Bahadur Shah Jafar, the last Mughal emperor, you can say that, right? They went to Bahadur Shah, they met Bahadur Shah Jafar, then they decided that Bahadur Shah Jafar would be the leader of this rebellion. That's why he was proclaimed as a leader of this particular rebellion. Bahadur Shah also accepted this rebellion request also, you can say that, and then he called many regional rulers to fight against Britishers also. It means that Bahadur Shah also accepted this rebellion. He also started to protest against Britishers also, and he also called many regional rulers also, so that they could participate in this rebellion. Right, students? Now let's think about the rebellion spread. Okay. Now, dear student, when the rebellion you can say the rebellious people, they went in Delhi. So the Britishers, they have to run away from that particular place. It means उनको जगह छोड़ के जानी पड़ी, right? Whenever they ran away from the Delhi, it means that the rebellion people, they have captured you can say this, they have captured Delhi also, right? इसीलिए क्या हुआ, पूरा एक वीक किसी भी प्रकार का कोई अपराइजिंग नहीं हुआ. But this uprising, it started again. Regiment after regiment mutinied. It means regiment after regiment, they started to revolt, and even they took off to join other troops also at nodal points like Delhi, Kanpur and Lucknow. These are the central point, और यहाँ पर उन्होंने क्या किया, हर एक व्यक्ति ने participate किया. One by one, the rebel spread to entire northern India, led by different leaders like Nana Sahib in Kanpur, Brij in Kudar of Lucknow, and his mother Begum Hazrat Mahal, Rani Lakshmi Bai. They also participate as they participated in a very active manner by organizing and by organizing this uprising against the Britishers. It means that all the people in the northern India under different leaders, they participated in this movement. The whole scene of the northern India, it has become frightened, and the British people, they were frightened they were afraid from this thing. Even they started to express their notes of the fear in newspaper and many other things. Right, friends? The regional rulers allied with Mughal rulers, as they thought that this way, only this is the way in which they can restore their authority back. Which the British administration has taken away. Right? So that's why all the regional rulers of northern India, they have participated in it. Right, friends? Now, this point, the company fight back. We will discuss it in the later video. Hope so everything is clear to all of you. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.